Good morning, good afternoon, whatever the case may be. It is Friday at about 4:46 of the last day of school before break, and I'm trying to get this done. I was trying to come up with a better why, something about our friend Mr. Trump, and I couldn't find some dynamite. Want to get home to the fam. The why here, again, we're talking about rational arguments. Alright, and I also think there's some mental problem solving going on here, some logical reasoning. And this is something the world is in dire need of. Climate change treaties just signed, world's in a lot of trouble. It seems like with that, the thing I was looking for on Trump had to do with he inherited around $40 million, one estimate said, and if he would have just invested that in an index fund, he'd be worth about the same as he is today. So I actually heard some more divisive numbers, but I couldn't find them, and I want to wrap this up and get home to the fam, and I hope you guys had a great break. So let's just rip through this really quick, and I might be a little wonky here, but I just hammered it really quick on a practice, and let's see what we can do here. So basically, you're drawing with parallelograms. The same side interiors are going to add up to 180. So that's 130. This is 50, and then the opposite ones are the same. So that's 130, and that's 50. The opposite sides are the same. So this is 13. This is 9. All right. That's it. Fill it in. R is 50, T is 130, WV is 9, VT is 13, and V is 50. Right? And I'll probably go a little faster. If we need to pause this, please, we will do it. And we will practice this. I showed you the schedule earlier today. But we just got to get these reps in, get you guys going on this. So again, just some problem solving. I don't have everything, but I have enough. I have a triangle up here, so I know the triangle is going to sum to 180. So I go 180 minus 80 minus 40. I can do that in my head. That's 60. All right, and then I'm going to play forward from there. If this is 60, this is 60. Okay, and then these right here are going to add to 180. So 180 minus 80 minus 60 is, so that makes that 40. I don't know if you can see that. That's 40. And then if that's 40, then you should be able to see the logic here that that's going to be 80. And actually, you notice the pattern. Those are alternate interior because these are parallelograms. Those are parallel. So M is 60, G is 60, 1 is 80, KG, I didn't do that, 7 and 11, that's easy. KG is 7, MK is 11, MFG, MFG, that whole thing, so I'm looking for that whole thing. That's 80 plus the 40 is 120. Better throw some angles down on that and call that good. Alright, the next one, and again, why are we doing this? Rational arguments, logical reasoning. We're making sound arguments here. So this is 80, that's 80, those are vertical. Those two are going to add to 180 because it's a linear pair. So if that's 100, that's 100. Got 135 and an angle. Well, those three in that triangle are going to be 180. So it's 180 minus 100 minus 35 is 45. Okay, so now I've got those 3. If I look at this triangle, I've got 2, I need 1 more, so it's going to be 100 minus 80 minus 42, and that is 58. Alright, so then this, all of these over here are going to be 180. All these angles here, so I got 58, 45, 42, I can get 1. So 180 minus 45 minus 58 minus 42, and 1 is 35. And when I did this the first time, I did it on my calculator. That's the easy part. The plug and chug is the easy part. Deciding our plan and what makes logical sense. That's the thinking piece. So I've got 2. I can find the third one. Let's see. If I do that, that's 45. Now I can start to see some patterns here. I got 45 and 58, so that's 58. I've got 35, 35, I got 42 there. TS is 12, NE is 30. So I'm not really sure, but what I think is then each part is a half, and that ends up being right. So then you just fill it in. So seems like the part you need to do is just fire the stuff in. So 35 degrees, 3 is 45, NAE is the sum of these two. So we'll add those together, and yep, and it's 103. AS is right here, so it's the whole thing. Half was 12, so double it, we get 24. AN or ATN is right there, that's 80. And T is half, it's 15, and then 2 is up there, it's 58. Alright, so I like to just find everything, and then it's easy to fill in and identify. That's a lower level thinking skill. So that's that. Last one here, and we'll call it good. This is a net. This is just an unfolded, it looks to me like a rectangular prism. So all these are going to fold together to get you something that looks like this. We did that a few chapters ago. So this is going to fold up with that. So we're looking for AB, so AB is just 18. Alright, that is it. I'm going to call it good there. I know that's short and sweet. We'll practice it and unpack it, and yeah, we'll address it. Thank you guys for your attention. Have a great day, and we will talk to you soon.